Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another day of day trading. Today I'm starting the show a little bit earlier because I'm already in position. I am short on Rivn right now at 121.5. I'm not a big fan of getting in pre-market because your market orders don't work, so you gotta be ready to cover your position at any time manually using limit orders because yeah, market orders don't work. Spread is crazy right now. It's 33 cents spread. So I'm up around 0.7 R right now, but this can change at in a heartbeat. I mean, due to the spread, I mean this could change in no time at all. So let's see. I'm in position right now, so I have a stop at 122, 122.21. My target is 118.50, but I will probably cover some if it does get down to the 120 level. So we'll see how that goes. If it gets down here, I'll probably cover some. Unless it gets down here in the pre-market, then maybe I'll wait till the market open. Yeah. I also have Lucid on the watch list. Lucid, Lucid, I like it a lot on the daily. You can see the daily here is very bullish uptrend. It touched the 90 EMA yesterday, so it could be a bullish sign today for continuation on to the upside. And same thing on Fisker FSR. It could be a 3-bar play on the daily. What I don't like about this stock right now is that it's already moved quite a bit, 2.9% already to the upside. I would like to enter around here, more at 21. Maybe I should put a level here. I think 21.43 is the target that I have. But I don't have a limit order because it's so far away right now. So my main focus right now is Rivn, since I'm already in the trade. And on the other side, I have Lucid. Probably gonna keep my eyes on Lucid since FSR is really far from my target. Yeah, look at the spread. I mean, it's a 40-cent spread. That's huge. It's crazy huge. So we'll see what happens. I mean, 7 minutes before the market opens. The Qs and the SPYs are ripping today. I think it's because the variant is not as severe as they think it is. I think that's the main thing. So the Qs and SPY are ripping again. Let's see what they have. Yeah, if you look at the Qs, the Qs went back up on the daily. It went back above the 90 EMA. Especially with a huge volume pushing it down, it couldn't successfully push it down, and it just ripped back up again. And you see a lot of large ass coming in now, so it could be a bullish day. We'll see how it goes this review. That's why I'm bullish on Lucid and the FSR. EV seems to be in play, but you know, based on a technical analysis, I'm just gonna short review. It's coming into a level over here. If you look at it on 30-minute, it's slamming against these levels over here around the 122 level, and on the daily is slamming against the 90 EMA. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, it's going down, but the ass is still at 121, so it's still here because of the spread. Let's see if it goes down to the 120 level so I can cover some. Yeah, for sure I'll cover some down here, 120.50 around. So another 50 cents down, I'll probably cover some. But it's so spready. I mean, I go from plus 1R to like minus R to break even like in no time. I don't think I'm gonna give this to. I'm not gonna let this go to my stop. Like anything around here, 121, I'm probably gonna cover it. So spready. Yeah, Lucid looks like it wants to break out right now. Yeah, Lucid just went. Lucid just broke out. So again, I mean, it's been very unfortunate lately. All the stocks that I had my eyes on has been breaking out in the pre-market. Makes it very hard for me to get in. So let's see. If Rivn gets up to this 121.80 level, above this level, I'm gonna get out. I'm not gonna wait for 122. Wow, Lucid just went crazy. Not gonna go chase it though. Look at these crazy spreads. Nuts. Again, you see 120.75 over here, but the ask is actually at 121.50. So if I cover now, actually, it's a break-even trade, even though my entry goes over here. That's the thing with pre-market trading. I mean, so spready. Really not a big fan of it actually. But sometimes those give you the best risk reward, right? So 2 minutes to the open. FSR seems to be far from VWAP, or not so good for 1 minute open range break up. I like it if it comes back down to this. So FSR, we like it if it comes back down to this 22 level. So that's what I'm looking at the other screen, just to let you guys know. So hopefully it does come back down. I can, depending on the price action, I might get in. So 1 more minute to the market opens. See how it goes. $15 seconds to the market open. Good luck. So choppy, so choppy. Let's see. This bounces up. I'm gonna cover it all. Actually gonna cover some now. Just don't like the price action. Don't know what's going on. I'm not able to cover, so I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to cover my. Oh my goodness! Something wrong with my tools over here. My platform. Okay, I just covered, but man, that was really weird. I don't know what happened. So I got 1.5 R win. Could have been bigger, but given how choppy this price action was, I'm okay with this 1.5 R win. Yeah. I think that kind of messed with me. I should have left my order up there. But you know what? I'm happy with this trade. 1.5 R win, so all good, all good. That's the thing. Yeah, see, I was planning to cover some over here, but the price action was so choppy that I guess you could say I panicked a bit and I covered a little bit early, but I'm okay. I'm okay with this trade, this cover. If the price action was more smooth, I probably would have left some on the table. Yeah. So now let's switch the attention to Lucid. Again, the 52 price level is what I would like to get in at. It's going for the 1 minute opening break now, but I don't like the bids. There's a lot more bids than ask. Okay, here there's some ask coming. It's below the VWAP right now. Well, it's just above the VWAP. Wow, look at that. Huge bids, huge bids. I don't think this has a chance to go up. Those are huge bids, no? Maybe 53.60, 53.60. You got something like 53.63 down here. Some 54s, some 54. A lot. 54s, yeah. A lot of selling pressure right now. Be careful of going along on Lucid. A lot of selling. The tape is red, tape is red. So be careful. It might go up, but be careful. Okay, here it goes. Breaking. 1 minute open range breakup. That would have been nice. But it's not an easy trade given how many large bid they have. It's not an easy opening range breakup. The setup is definitely not an A plus setup. It might go, but that was very hard. It was not an easy 1 minute opening range breakup. So Rivn just shot up. Well, thankfully I got out of it. Got this nice 1.5 R win. I'm in no rush to trade anything. I'm okay with the 1.5 R win, so that's why you see me maybe playing a little bit more defensive. And this one I really like it down here. Let's see if it gets down here. Rivn seems to be getting squeezed. Lucid is struggling at the R3 level. So Lucid is struggling at this R3 level. Yeah, there was a lot of large bids, so that's why it's not a great one opening breakup. Look at those bids. Wow. A lot of selling pressure. A lot of selling pressure. what I'm interested at is at this 52 level. It gets down there. At this 52 level, I want to see how it reacts at that 52 level. If it gets down there. Oh, but it's so choppy. Look at that. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Look at all these choppy action. Rivn got squeezed, but I was playing the range. So I was playing the range. I knew on the there was a possibility of going long, of it going squeezing up. That's why I got out all my shares. If not there, I was gonna get most of it here anyways. But this would have been a nice flip actually. Would have got some like a long, once it passed this 121 level, would have been nice. Wow, 5.8, 5.7. Let's go, Rivn. Look at this chop at Lcid. Alright, so FSR is holding this pre-market low level. Let me see. 2171. Could be a double bottom at this level. I might consider this trade if it comes down to this 2171 level, and if there's a double bottom. Let's see. Doesn't seem to want to come down. Yeah, a lot of people bought at this pre-market low level. Whoever did that, that was a nice trade. Yeah. I had a level of 2143. Actually, I remember when I was preparing for the day, I wanted to get it over here, but I didn't know where to put my stop. That was the problem. You see this chop over here? I didn't know where to put my stop. Maybe I should have tried to get in over here of a wide stop, and then so basically try to average into the short. Okay, it won't be a big winner if I average in, because what you do is you separate your R into two, so you enter 0.5 R here and another 0.5 R here of the same stop. So right now, even though you see the price went from 2160 to like almost 22, it would have been probably only a 1 R win. Yeah, it would have been only a 1 R win right now. Actually, not even 1 R. You'll be only up 0.5 R. So yeah, that's the problem of averaging in. You get some of the pie, but in order to get the whole pie, it needs to come down and get your second target. Then you can really get a good winner out of it. Well, that's that. Let's have a look at the. That's it for me, guys. Yeah, only a simple 1.5 R win, a short Rivn pre-market down to around this 120.20 level. I had a lot of technical issues. It wasn't able to get me fill a lot of these levels, so gotta keep that in mind next time. Alright, thank you guys. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. If you guys find these videos useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.